This is the harness for the fire link and dragon link and the lightning link. Some customers want to buy this harness with the balance panel and the external the cabinets very fast. No matter metal cabinets or wood cabinets, they can both install this kind of balance panel. We will send you the sizes of it as soon as possible. So you will build the producer's cabinet first, and then install this one. And the harness, this is 36 pins plus 10 pins. And then this is the balance cable, okay? Micro switch already installed on this harness, and which means you don't have to do anything. Only connect here to here, okay? Make it connected of the harness, and then it's very fast. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You cannot escape from me. The gods above and our destiny. You cannot escape from me. The gods above and our destiny.
Other levels, just like dragon link or lightning link, we can make it too. Thank you.